Hey guys, welcome back to my channel. In this video, I'm going to show you how to add text on road using vanishing point. In no time, let's get started. Click Ctrl+G to duplicate the layer. Then select the type tool and write out your text. Right-click on the layer and choose Select Pixels from the option. Then go to Edit and select Copy. Click Ctrl+D to deselect, then right-click on the layer and select Delete Layer. Go to Filter, then select Vanishing Point. Using the Vanishing tool, draw points and connect to create a vanishing image. Click Ctrl+V to paste the text. Then Ctrl+T2 to use the transform tool. After you are done, click on OK. Right-click on the layer and select Blending Options. Hold Alt to break the slider, then drag it to make it look realistic. That is all for today. Make sure to like, comment, and subscribe. See you next week.